Hey there, Internet hustlers! Are you looking for an effortless way to earn some extra cash? Well, look no further because today we're diving into Honeygain, the app that turns your idle internet connection into money. What is Honeygain? Honeygain is a revolutionary app that allows you to share your unused internet bandwidth and get paid for it. Yes, you heard that right. You can make money just by letting the app run in the background. How does it work? First, download the app. It's available for Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS. Next, create an account. The sign-up process is quick and easy. Then, just let it run. The app works silently in the background while you go about your day. As your shared bandwidth earns you credits, you can then cash out and convert those credits to real money. Is it safe? Absolutely. Honeygain is completely legit and safe to use. They have strict security measures in place and never access your personal data. Plus, they limit the amount of bandwidth used, so it won't slow down your internet. How much can you earn? Now, let's talk numbers. Your earnings depend on factors like your location and how much bandwidth you share. On average, users earn about $20 to $50 per month. It's not going to make you rich overnight, but hey, it's free money for doing nothing. Payment proof. Don't just take my word for it. Check out this payment proof. I've been using Honeygain for the past 3 months, and I've already cashed out twice. It's real, folks. Pro tips to maximize your earnings. 1. Run Honeygain on multiple devices. 2. Keep your devices online as much as possible. 3. Participate in their Lucky Pot daily for bonus credits. 4. Refer friends to earn 10% of their earnings. How to get started. 1. Head to honeygain.com or your app store. 2. Download the app. 3. Create an account. 4. Start earning. Honeygain is the definition of passive income. Set it up once and watch the money trickle in. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's an easy way to earn some extra cash for your coffee runs or to pad your savings. Remember, the key to making money online is to diversify. Honeygain is a great addition to your side hustle portfolio. Why not give it a try? You've got nothing to lose and free money to gain. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Drop a comment if you have any questions or share your Honeygain experience. Stay hustling, and I'll see you in the next video.